Hi everyone, I'm down low today. I've got my iPad set up and I'm really quite low down to the ground because I wanted to show you the new cut and emboss machine, which you can see. Look at how pretty it is. And these little sides open up and you can run your stuff through it like normal. So I've got my plates behind me. So there's different plates and these are all numbered. So we've got 1, 2, which is your base plate. Then you've got your plate for when you're doing your thin dies, your 2 cutting plates. You've got an embossing plate. But what I wanted to talk about was the magnetic plate. So this is it here. Now it has got a self-healing type mat on it, so it does leave impressions on it, but it doesn't actually cut into it. And the back of it is this, so it is a full sheet of magnet. So, and it's pretty thin. I think if you remember, the Big Shot one was a really thick wide one and it had magnets in certain places across the plate, but this one is actually a full sheet of magnet. So it's pretty cool and it's flexible too. It's not a stiff one either. So if you have the new machine, the folder, the sandwich is really easy because it tells you it's just 1, 2, 1 and 2, and then 5, and then you pop a 3 on top, and that will cut out your dies. Easy. So I'll do that quickly. I just wanted to show you, and then I want to show you something else because I know that not everyone is requiring a new machine. You probably are waiting for the mini one to come out, which I am waiting for that one to come out too. Oops, my die's underneath my cutting plate. Hello everyone, I'm just in quickly. So I'm just going to cut out. I've just got a leaf die from something. Now the other thing I want to show you is that it sticks really well. It doesn't feel like it clips to it like, you know, with the Big Shot one, it sort of felt like it, like you could hear it magnet, like getting to it. But this is like, it sticks like that is on there. So it sticks really good. And because it's all over, the little ones don't jump around. Now I'm just going to try and find somewhere to cut out. So then we just pop the plate on and we run through. I hope you can see, I'm running through. Look at that, I can do it even in the air. No clunking, no cracking. Really simple. And you could see how I lifted it up and did it in the air, so it was really, really simple. So that is my die. Well, but like I just mentioned, sorry, I feel like I'm leaning over everything. Like I just mentioned, you may not be requiring a new machine just yet. So I just did want to show you that, where is it? Down here. You can still get the magnetic plate because I tried this last night. We had a little team gathering last night. Look at these ones. Look at these ones compared to, I don't want to use my new ones. I know that's pretty pathetic, but okay. If you have your Big Shot, you can still get the magnetic plate. You need your base plate and your thin adapter. Then your magnetic plate just sits on top of that. And I'll just grab my card again. I'm just using, it's just for example. Then your cutting plate on top. Whiz it through. And it better work now. Well, I tried it last night. So there you go. So you can actually use your, now I'm just going to put that away because I know that I will lose that. I can't even remember where it went on the actual die. So you can use your magnetic Big Shot, or if you, yes, exactly, Deborah. So you know, if you're not quite at the stage where you want to replace your Big Shot, I understand that, because I wasn't going to replace mine either, but I am hanging out for the mini one. I will definitely be getting that. But you can use the new magnetic plate in your Big Shot. Okay, so I think, going by memory, don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure that these are $42. Flexible, so they're not stiff. Whole sheet is a magnet, and they do stick. So they stick really well. If you're just jumping in now, you'll be able to go back and watch the replay where I put it on there and tipped it upside down. So you can go ahead and order these for your Big Shot. Don't be afraid to get them. So just jumping in quickly, and I will see you later. Bye.